Hey, you Buddha belly. Hey, you Buddha belly. You Buddha belly. Hey, you Buddha belly. Here. Oh, yeah, right there. He does have a little, right there. He goes, oh, that's my tail. That's my tail. Oh, quit picking at my tail. You quit picking at my tail. This was funny. He was laying in there on his big stuffed teddy bear last night. Like, I am the king. I am the king. Yeah, I did. Let me go get, you can keep videoing. Let me go get the blue boy. I don't know what's up with the blue boy. He won't come in. You're making your nice selections of rocks to eat. This is not a good thing. They eat rocks. Here's Blue Boy. And my belly was so full I could not stay awake. I just could not stay awake. I could not stay awake. I know, that sun is so warm and so shiny. That sun is shining and it's warming us up. We finally get into shade, don't we? We are Bordeaux. We'll be breaking out that air condition. We ain't gonna be breaking out that air condition. This one just comes at me like this. Cause I know you got cookies. I know you got cookies. I know you do. I know you got cookies. Little cookie monster. You are a cookie monster. You're a little cookie monster. I know. So we're teaching him at this age not to be biting. No biting. Uh-huh. Got a good post-sternum there. You ate too much. I think you overate. I think you overate. So I want you to just pan around and show how big this yard is, that they are out here all day for at least 12 hours. Sometimes into that yard I do need to, they do play on that slide. Bring that slide over here just a minute. We'll see. I don't have any cookies. I need to go get some cookies. Come here. Let's see who's brave enough to get up on the slide. Whoa! We need to put a little green astroturf on this side. Come on. You say it's hot. If that sun is so hot, I'll put cookies up here and they will get up here and slide down. So they're just 8 weeks old, so they're just navigating this amount of a slide at this age. Now he's over here asleep. And they do use this as shade. That's funny. And they play tag, hide and seek, and ring around the rosy. And they use this. Bordeaux, we have a nice breeze, but that sun is very, very warm. Hey, Boo! Boo, you! Boo! What are you doing? What Yin's doing? What Yin's doing? He's doing. What Yin's doing? You have a beautiful head. This one. Oasis, you're a big old boy. Somebody bite you right there? You're a big old boy. You're a big old boy. So watch this as I approach this puppy. Come here. You can see I can walk up to this puppy. I can walk around this puppy. This puppy's not afraid. Watch me walk up to this puppy. This puppy's not afraid. I ain't afraid of you. I ain't afraid of you. No, we're not got much submit in me either, though. I don't know if I submit to you either, but I ain't afraid of you. So you can see when I put him down, it's not like he runs off. He's not a fearful puppy. The other one went back in. Yeah, it was cold last night. It was 40 something. We had to have the heat lamps on last night, but it's warm today. It's warm today. Hi, there you are. He was underneath the swab. Hi. How long is that video? 7. Oh, okay.